What is going on, traders? Today we're going to talk about Chia and how mining is going on so far. So I took a short vacation. I came yesterday night and I found out my mining room is so dirty. Just look at this. My hard drives are dirty as well. My monitor, everything is actually dirty right here. So I need to do cleaning today. So 3 days ago when I was out of the city, I found out that my machines wasn't mining anymore. I wasn't online, and that was caused by lights out. Over here in Ghana, we get to experience a lot of blackouts or light outs. So what I need to get is a UPS that's indestructible power supply, so that I connect all my devices to it, so that when there is light out for, let's say, 1 to 2 hours, it can sustain my mining operations till the light is back on. So when I came back yesterday, the first thing was to come in here and turn on my Chia Farming App. So when I turned it on, it started the synchronization process, and it took forever, about 5 to 7 hours of synchronization. I don't know whether it's because of my internet connection or it is because of the Chia app, how slow it is. So I think Chia can also do something about it to get the synchronization process very fast. So Chia, if you are seeing this and there's anything you can do about the sync process, make it fast. While I was away, I found something interesting in the charts of Chia. Now, you see, around June, Chia had a very steep slope around this zone. Now, in July, that's where it started its real downtrend. So I've drawn a channel, and Chia is still trading between or within the channel. Now, I can see there is a strong resistance area over here. That is around $89 or $90. So if Chia is able to overcome this obstacle over here, the next target is around $110. I have a pretty strong background in markets analysis. I've been trading Forex for over 8 years, and I know it when things like this happens in the markets. I know what I mean. Traders, stay safe and see you on the next video.